How to personalize WhatsApp chats with custom colors. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open up WhatsApp on a device. Now simply open up a chat. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on chat theme. Now under themes, you can choose from different kind of themes. Now select the theme. Now tap on next to apply. Now tap on set theme. If you want to change the chat colors, tap on chat color. Now choose a color and tap on next. Also, if you want to change the wallpapers, simply tap on wallpapers. Now you can select from the default wallpaper or also can choose from gallery. Now select Now select a gallery and tap on next. Now tap on set wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.